Every day, millions of people watch self-improvement videos. They read books, listen to podcasts, create goals, and promise themselves that
Many people mistake learning for changing. They collect knowledge, but they never apply it. They feel productive because they are preparing. Motivation feels powerful because it creates emotions. But emotions are temporary.
The human brain naturally protects comfort. Change feels dangerous because it requires uncertainty.
The biggest reason people fail is not lack of information. They already know what they need to do.
Real transformation does not begin with changing what you do. It begins with changing who you believe you are.
Some people stay busy every day. But being busy does not always mean being productive.
People wait for the perfect time, perfect plan, and perfect confidence. But perfection is an illusion.
The modern world gives us unlimited information, but too much information can create confusion. Many people consume self-improvement content because taking action creates the possibility of failure.
Social media has created a world where everyone compares their beginning with someone else's success.
Every achievement has a hidden price: discipline, sacrifice, patience, and consistency. Successful people do not depend on motivation. They build systems.
Small actions, repeated daily, create extraordinary results. Your environment often controls your behavior more than your willpower. Every notification competes for your attention. Controlling instant pleasure allows your brain to regain focus. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence is created through action. Failure is not proof that you cannot succeed. It is information showing what needs improvement. Discipline creates freedom. Habits create identity. Long-term thinking versus instant results. Delayed gratification.
Building daily routines.
Emotional control.
Removing distractions.
Becoming consistent. The goal of self-improvement is not becoming a different person overnight.
Creating personal systems.
Stop collecting motivation. Start creating evidence.
It is becoming slightly better every day. Your habits are voting for the person you will become. Your future is built in ordinary moments.
The person you want to become is created through repetition.
Build systems. Build habits. Build yourself. Do not chase constant inspiration.
Self-improvement is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming consistent. Stop searching for the next motivational video. Start taking the next meaningful action.
The biggest transformation happens when nobody is watching.